Look at, see that? Look at it. Wow. Let's pull it together. Woo! Ah, look at. See that? You can see my ring lamp on it. You see the ring lamp on it? It's shining bright. 1 week. 1 whole week I get this phone for house. I no open now. Let me say no shock me. Oh. It's not like I was not feeling like opening it. I was just worried about what I was going to do with my hand. I was just stressed. It's my first time to do surgery, so I didn't know. So when I have something like this, I was not even feeling it. I just drop it inside my cupboard and like, okay, after I'm done with this, I will open it and look at. I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy. I love it. Orange is even matching my top. Here's my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yeah. And let's check. This is the case. And here is the cable. I need a new SIM card. Guys, look at it. It's the same charger as 15 Pro Max, 15 Pro, 15. So, and here we have, as you can see, this is the menu. Scan to learn more about your iPhone and requirements. Look at it. You see that? Yes, it's written there. iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's written here. I cannot do this